How long does linoleum tile flooring last? Dear friends, the lifespan of linoleum flooring is what makes it so appealing to homeowners. How long it lasts will depend on the maintenance provided. With proper care, a linoleum floor can last between 20 to 40 years or more. However, unlike other flooring types, linoleum will age with time, looking older until it needs to be replaced. Unsealed linoleum, even in dry rooms or climates, is more likely to curl or warp over time, shortening its lifespan. However, if you reseal the linoleum every few years, it should last much longer. The quality of the materials and the floor installation process also significantly impact the flooring's longevity. Thicker, high-end linoleum tiles will last longer than thin, easily damaged tiles. Additionally, high-quality installation will reduce the risk of poorly laid edges. Finally, your environment will affect your flooring's lifespan. Very humid rooms or rooms where water frequently spills will reduce the floor's lifespan, whereas living room floors may last longer. Hot, humid climates will also stress the floor because of the moisture and UV radiation damage. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.